Evening everyone, myself Sindhupriya. Currently I'm working as an intern at inSAKE Solutions as equity research. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm very happy to be part of this inSAKE Solutions as I'm learning a lot and implementing in my day-to-day activities. Equity research is a high-paying job where we can analyze the company's financial statement as well as we can interact with the top level management. Today I would like to present a video on developing effective communication skills for the financial analyst. Effective communication skills as a financial analyst can mean being direct when sending emails, leaving phone messages, speaking to an investor about important financial information, and utilizing non-verbal communication to professionals and working relationship. Communication skills are one of the most important skills for financial analysts as they have to interact with many people in different roles and teams ranging from managers to the investors and clients. They use verbal communication to convey complex financial concepts and clients and explain different investment options clearly. The skills which are beneficial for the financials are for becoming a financial analyst they need technical financial skills and non-technical behavioral skills. The technical skills include economic modeling, equity research, merger and acquisition, credit risk, and accounting software skills. The 10 most financial analysts to be needed are: first one is accounting skills and interpersonal skills, communication skills, problem solving skills, technical skills, leadership and management skills, financial literacy skills, critical thinking skills, organizational skills, and analytical skills. Thank you.